Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2024 Chevrolet TRAX 2RS. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, really nice shape, beautiful gray color, really nice, super sharp. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's in really nice shape. Almost new, look at this, amazing condition. Very nice, loaded up inside with leather, very nice condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Front bumper's in beautiful shape, really amazing shape. Take a look at that. Very nice condition. Super nice shape. Take a look at the headlamps. On the passenger side, beautiful shape. Lower light, beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Bumper and grille is in great shape, looks really nice. Let's have a little scuff right here and another one right there. Besides, that's in beautiful condition. Take a look at the other headlamp. On the driver's side, very nice. Lower light also in beautiful condition. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Super clean throughout, very nice condition. Looks amazing. Take a look at the front fender. Front fender on the driver's side, beautiful shape. Front door on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Quarter panel on the driver's side, really amazing shape. Looks clean throughout, very nice. Walking around the back here, look at the rear hatch. Rear hatch is in amazing shape. Looks super nice. Super clean, very nice condition. Lower bumper here looks amazing. The RS breaks it down there, painted, looks super nice. Very nice condition. Quarter panel on the passenger side, really amazing condition. Looks super clean, very nice. Rear door on the passenger side, really amazing condition, super clean. Take a look at the front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, really nice. Front fender on the passenger side, really amazing shape. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the roof and the windshield. Quick look at the windshield, looks amazing. Very nice, no cracks, no scratches on it, looks super nice. Take a look at the roof. Roof is in beautiful shape. Giving it a quick walk around here. Really nice condition. Windshield on the driver's side also looks amazing. Beautiful shape. Very nice condition all the way through. 2024 Chevy TRAX 2RS package. Really in nice shape. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape, very nice condition. Really great. Has some storage down there. Armrest is in great shape. Take a look at the controls for the power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Really nice stitching there, nice accent. Take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in beautiful shape. Look at that, very nice condition throughout. Rugs are clean, dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Full set of floor mats on this one. Really nice condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the front door. Front door on the passenger side looks amazing. Really nice shape. Look at that, beautiful condition. Take a look at the controls. Take a look at the stitching there, looks really nice. Armrest is in great shape. Very nice. Does have a couple little marks here on the panel, nothing major. Besides, that looks very nice. Passenger seat, beautiful. Look at the stitching on there. RS. Seat's in great shape, looks very nice. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Beautiful condition all the way through. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Very nice condition all the way through. Take a look at the controller for the power window. Handle's in great shape. Really nice condition. Look at that. Let's take a look at the rear seat. Rear seat's in beautiful shape. Very nice. Really amazing condition. Look at the seats back here. Looks beautiful. Very nice condition. Full set of floor mats. Take a quick look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape. Looks super, super clean. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the passenger side. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice shape. Look at this. Really amazing condition. Super clean. Look at that. All right, take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful condition back here. Very nice shape. Leather's in beautiful shape. Full set of floor mats. Look at that. Really nice condition. Let's take a quick look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape. Looks amazing. Very nice condition. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and start this one up. This is a 2024 Chevrolet TRAX 2RS package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. We're gonna start it up right now. There's a key fob for it. Lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. I'm gonna set the key down right here. I'm gonna press the brake, press the button. Starts up perfect. Look at that. Really nice. Beautiful screen. This is an upgraded screen on the RS package. Super nice. Look at that large screen there. Beautiful information center. Let's take a look at the cluster. Here we go. So this is for the lane alert, which actually this one lets you know when you're leaving the lane. It'll beep or whatever and let you know, which is super nice. Look at the RPMs here when you accelerate it. See how it shows the RPMs there? Right now we have the parking brake on, so we're going to take that off. There we go. Just took the parking brake off. Super nice. It's electronic. It's sitting right here. All right, so we have the fuel gauge there. Miles till empty. Tells you what gear it's in. It's in park right now. This one has 17,634 miles. Temperature right there. Up above there, it has like a little sensor, lets you know how far back you are from the car in front of you, which is super nice. Okay, and then we have a little information center here. We could actually go through this here. If you go radio, you could actually change from AM FM to satellite radio, and then it has the buttons there. This is for the phone, so you need to have your phone connected for that. That button right there. This is to hang up, speak the commands. This is for the cruise control. Right here is for the distance in the front, the gap. So it has a, I guess, a crash detection thing in the front. That way you don't crash into anybody. And when you press the button here, you could give it a different size. So you want it to be further away. That way it gives us an alert sooner, so you can react faster. This one has heated steering wheel. Look at that. Super nice. Steering wheel is leather wrapped, and it's got this little perforated on here. Looks super nice. On the bottom, super stylish. Very nice. Look at that steering wheel. Amazing. All right, automatic lights. Looks beautiful there. Take a look at the upgraded AC vents on this one because it's an RS package. Look at that. It's got the red. Looks super nice. Very sporty. It's got the shiny finish right there. Down below here you have your power plug and your USBs. And then we're taking a look at the AC controls. So right here you can actually set it as a temperature. It's one temperature for the whole vehicle, and this is for the fan. Look at that. And here in the center you can have your controls for where the air is coming out, and then both of the seats have heated seats, which is a nice feature. Look at that. Beautiful feature on that. Front and rear defrost. Also has automatic. You can put it at whatever temperature you'd like. There you go. Very nice. Okay, up above here we have the OnStar, the passenger seat belt warning thing in case you have a small child or something. If he's under, I think it's under 60 pounds, the airbag doesn't deploy, so it'll turn it on and off depending on the weight there. So you have your courtesy light here, which is super nice. The headrests are really nice. They have RS engraved on there, which is super nice. Very nice condition. I mean, this is beautiful. Let's take a look at the liner real quick. Liner's in beautiful shape. Looks amazing. Really, really nice shape. Clean throughout. Beautiful condition. All right, let's take a look at the information center. I know there's a little bit of a glare there. We'll try our best here to show you exactly how that works. So let's go to radio. It shows you what radio station is on. Of course, I have the radio sound down because we're doing the video. Click there. If you have your phone connected, that's where you manage your phone. This is for the traction control. Down below here, this is for the information of the vehicle. So maintenance with the trip computers there. The gauges for battery, voltage, and coolant. Super nice, look at that. And then you have your trip computer, 2 trip computers here, and the fuel economy right there. Then you go back to home again. You have your climate control settings. You could take a look at that if you'd like. Go back down here again, settings. You have your language, your phones, vehicle settings, seat reminder in case you have a small child to let you know, remind you before you get off. For the power locks, the unlock, convenience and comfort. Take a look at that. Go back on that one. Let's take a look at, we can see the collision detection. So this one has automatic emergency braking. That's where the settings I showed you on the cluster were. And the front pedestrian braking. So that's really nice. It has those safety features. Go to apps, audio apps. So you can manage the audio apps there. Go down, your phone apps and OnStar. So we'll leave it on home again. Super nice. Okay, that's pretty much it. Take a look at the dashboard. Amazing condition. Looks brand new. Not a mark on it. Looks very nice. Clusters in beautiful shape. Steering wheel's in beautiful condition. Take a look at that beautiful screen. Really nice shape. Very nice. Oh, something I didn't show you guys. This one has the on and off for the engine. So when you have that on, it has a bypass. So when that little light is off, what it does is it conserves fuel. So when you go to the light and you're at the light, let's say for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, the engine will cut off. And then what it'll do is you'll save fuel. And then as soon as you let go of your brake pedal, the engine will ignite right away. So it saves you some fuel. But this is the bypass button in case you want to bypass that. Just super nice. And this for the lane alert. It helps you stay in the lane. All right, amazing condition. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take her for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a test drive here. Here we go. It's super smooth here. Really nice drive. Drives amazing. Very nice. Super quick. Really nice drive. Okay, now we're going to find a spot to go ahead and park and check the backup camera. drives really nice. See, that was a lane alert there. I changed lanes and it was letting me know that I was getting out of the lane. So it actually beeped to let me know I was leaving the lane. It's a nice feature on these. It's a safety feature there. Okay, let's go ahead and test out the backup camera. Find a little spot here to back up. Here we go. Put in reverse. Backup camera comes up. And this one's really nice. When you turn the steering wheel, it actually shows you which way you're rolling back, which is really nice. Look at this. Fantastic. Reverse again. And here we go. There you go. We just parked. Super nice. Okay, so that concludes our test drive here. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment and the cargo area in the back. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. It's in beautiful shape, very nice condition. It's got a little pocket here for storage. It's super nice. It's got this cover here, so when you have your stuff back here, nobody can seize it. That's nice. Down below here, take a look at the spare tire and all the tools. Very nice. Really great condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment on this one. Beautiful shape, clean throughout. Really nice condition all the way through. Very nice. Beautiful shape. Super, super clean. Let's take a look at the bottom of the hood. Emission sticker. Really nice shape. Looks brand new. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the driver's side. It's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Really amazing condition. Looks brand new. Continental tire. All matching all the way around. Now the rim does have some scratches on it, you can see there. But besides that, it's in really nice shape. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side looks amazing. Beautiful condition throughout, very nice shape. Let's take a look at the rim. Rim's in good condition, but it does have some scratches here and here, and another one here and here. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side looks amazing. Looks brand new. Continental tire, all tires are matching. Let's take a quick look at the rim. This rim is untouchable. It doesn't have a scratch on it. Beautiful condition, look at that. Very nice. Beautiful shape all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the passenger side, beautiful shape, looks brand new, really nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape, very nice. Look at that. Not a mark on it. Actually, it does have a couple little scratches right there. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2024 Chevrolet TRAX 2RS package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out, really outstanding shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.